Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install your BC-3500A kit. First you're going to start by safety, with your safety goggles or glasses. Now we're going to go ahead and grab your half-inch drill bit and make a hole for your out-of-service light. So go from the outside in, drill your hole. Once you've drilled your hole, you take your out-of-service light, press it in, like so. Lift up the door, make sure it locks. Take the retainer clip, put pressure in. So, take your zip tie, bend your wire a little bit, cut the access off. Now you're going to take the whole assembly for the hopper. You get it, tilt it, and then place it in. Make sure it goes over the cup. And then you're aligned with your 4 holes. Take your screw with washer, your nut driver, and screw on the plate. Alright, now we're going to install your plate that holds the Flex 2 programming board and power supply. You're going to line it up with the 2 holes. Take your hex screw. Nut driver to screw it in. Now, take your hopper harness, put in the hole, and if you go down here, feed it through a secondary hole that's there, and slide it through. Connected to hopper 1, refer to your guide, and I'll show you a picture of the connection. Then you're going to lay it onto the left side, so it'll be your left side hopper. You're going to take the other second hopper harness and feed it through. Down, feed it through the other hole. Connect it to your second hopper. Put it onto your P clamps. You're going to set that towards the right so you know it's on your right hopper. Take your out-of-service light harness. You're going to feed it through the same hole as the hoppers. Your P clamps, like so. I'll take the excess of it, connect it to this P clamp, this one as well. Feed it through. You're gonna take all the slack out. You're gonna want to connect it. Orange with red, brown with white, and the rest of it, slide it down. Perfect. Take the rest of the access harness, wrap it around, and put it into the P-clamp. Take your prevented zip tie. Zip tie all 3 harnesses. Cut the remainder of it. Now you're going to feed your MDV harness underneath the corn acceptor, and then down to go towards your board. We're going to go ahead, feed the rest. Connect it to your flex 2, to your P-clamp, and then now I'm gonna go ahead, take your P-clamp, hex screw, and you're gonna go ahead and screw it on. You're going to take your hex screw and your nut, screw it in. Take your open wrench to tighten it. Now, take your hopper assembly. Hex screw. Feed through the hole, hex nut. Tighten it. Slide that in. Connect your harness. Take your power harness, feed it through the hole that's located in the back corner. We're going to go inside the machine. And then feed it through this back hole here. Now we're gonna feed it through this other hole. Then feed it close to your power supply. Get your screwdriver. That's your line with your line. Screw your neutral terminal. Screw in your neutral. Screw in your ground. And now, for your external ground, you're going to loosen this nut, place it in, and tighten it, like so. Now you're going to take your P-clamp, hex screw, nut driver and screw it into this hole. Put in the clear lens cover. Now, take your hopper and slide your plate forward. Since this was in your left, connect to your left hopper. Slide it in. Take your right, connect it. In to provide a zip tie. Cut the remainders of it. Now, take your hopper extension, push it on top, push it back, take your coin chute, place it on top, take your wing nuts, as you're tying them, apply pressure towards the hoppers. So now we're gonna go ahead and put your power stopper. Gonna go ahead, get your channel locks, no pliers, apply pressure. Alright, now secure. And apply your stickers. We got, put your danger, electrical warning, leveling notice, need parts, ETL. There's gonna be another warning here for electrical. You're gonna have, on your right side, you're gonna put the danger. And on your left hand side, you're gonna put the warning, and then towards the back, you're gonna put the notice and your danger. Like so. And there you have it.